We're always poking around AI Agent Store, right? Looking for those tools that
Yeah.
actually live up to the hype.
It's like trying to
It's like panning for gold.
find a needle in a haystack.
Right. Yeah, and I think we may have found a nugget with this one we're looking at today.
Oh,
Vessium. It's an AI agent, and it says it can automate business processes.
really? What's the angle? What are they doing that's different?
The interesting thing here is it looks like it takes plain language instructions to build the automation.
Mm-hmm.
You don't have to know how to code.
Hmm.
You don't have to be some kind of expert
You were saying,
to
Martin,
build out these automations.
I could tell it, hey, every time I get an email from this person, forward it to this other person, and it would just do that.
Yeah, or, hey, every time a new lead comes in from this source,
Yeah.
create a new record in this spreadsheet, send a welcome email, and add them to this mailing list.
Wow. Okay.
And it would just do that.
And it's that simple. Just
Literally.
tell it what to do.
Yeah, and it uses multiple AI agents to execute the steps.
Hold on. Multiple AI agents. What does that even mean?
So instead of just one AI doing everything, it's like having a team of specialized virtual assistants.
Okay.
So one agent might be good at like data extraction, another one might be good at updating a database, and another one might be good at like composing emails
I see.
and sending them out or whatever.
Yeah.
So you can have these different specialized agents working together.
Interesting. But how do you manage all of that? That sounds incredibly complex, especially if I'm not a programmer.
Well, that's where Vessium is saying they've really innovated.
Okay.
They have this interface that you can use to define the interactions between these agents, like what triggers an action, what data gets passed between them.
I see.
It's like a visual flow chart,
No.
but instead of dragging and dropping boxes, you're just giving it plain language instructions.
Okay. But can it really handle, like, complex workflows, stuff with multiple steps and conditions and all that?
Well, that's the question, right? But from what they're showing on AI Agent Store, it can integrate with a bunch of different existing tools and platforms.
Like what?
So it's not just limited to like super simple tasks. We could be talking expense reports, onboarding new employees,
Right.
or even parts of your marketing funnel.
That would be incredible if it could really do all that.
If it could, it would be a game changer, right?
Yeah,
For anyone who's in business.
absolutely. Okay, but let's say I was using Vessium. Like, what's a workflow I could see myself automating?
For you.
Yeah.
For me, it would definitely be anything with scheduling meetings and managing my inbox, all those little things that just eat up my time and keep me from focusing on the important stuff.
Oh, yeah, I feel you. That would be huge. For me, I think it would be, gathering all the information we need for our research. It's a lot of manual work.
Like you're looking at.
Like going to different websites, copying and pasting stuff. It's such a pain.
Yeah, it's
I would
difficult.
love to automate that.
Get rid of it.
Yeah, and free up my time for actually analyzing the information. Yeah. That's what's so exciting about this, right? It's not just about saving time. It's about being able to focus on the things that really matter.
Exactly. So, listeners, if you're listening out there, think about what bogs you down during your workday. What are those repetitive tasks, those things you wish you could hand off to somebody else? Maybe Vessium is the answer.
Maybe you would have a whole team of virtual assistants
Yeah.
working for you 24/7.
Doing all that grunt work so you can focus on the high-level stuff.
Exactly.
And as always, you can find out more about Vessium and other great AI agents over at aiagentstore.ai.
Yeah, check it out. You might find just what you need over there.
The
See ya.